How to quad box on YouTube TV. YouTube TV currently does not support quad box mode natively, except for limited sports events like NCA March Madness on certain devices. However, there are workarounds to achieve a similar multi-screen viewing experience. Follow these methods. Method number 1, use YouTube TV's Multiview, sports only. YouTube TV supports Multiview for specific sports events like NCA March Madness on compatible devices. Step number 1, open YouTube TV on your smart TV or streaming device. Step number 2, navigate to Live tab and find the sports event labeled Multiview available. Step number 3, select Multiview option. Result, you'll be able to watch multiple games simultaneously on a single screen. Method number 2, use multiple devices. You can create a quad box setup using multiple devices or browsers. Step number 1, open YouTube TV on your TV, web browser, or mobile devices. Step number 2, sign in using the same Google account on up to 3 devices simultaneously. Step number 3, play different channels. Open different channels on each device. Step number 4, arrange devices side by side for a quad box effect. Method number 3, use a smart TV's picture-in-picture mode. Some smart TVs and streaming devices support PIP or multi-view modes. Step number 1, check TV compatibility. Ensure your TV supports PIP or multi-screen mode. Step number 2, enable PIP mode. Open settings, display or multi-view on your TV. Step number 3, add YouTube TV. Select YouTube TV and another streaming app for split screen. Method number 4, use a PC and browser windows. If you're using a PC or Mac, open multiple browser windows to create a custom quad box. Step number 1, open tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Step number 2, sign in with your Google account. Step number 3, open multiple tabs or use the pop-out video feature. Step number 4, arrange the windows on your screen for a quad box setup. Important notes: multi-view availability. Native multi-view is limited to sports events during special broadcasts. Device limits: you can stream YouTube TV on up to 3 devices simultaneously with a standard subscription. Consider alternatives. Use a streaming device like Apple TV, Roku, or Fire Stick if PIP support is available.